Hi, my name is Jeshwita. Today I am talking about the paper of sizing the origin and the effects of the chart size and layering on the graphical perception of time series visualization. This paper investigates on the technique for visualizing time series data and evaluate their effects in value comparison tasks. Comparing lines charts with horizontal graphs as space-efficient time series visualization techniques across the range of the chart size, measuring the speed and accuracy of the subject's estimation of value difference between the charts. Normally, the time series means the set of the values changing over time are one of the most common form of recorded data. Some of the examples are they occur in finance, science, and public policies like in stock prices, exchange rates, and temperatures. And these are the graphs. The first graph is called as fill line chart, in which the area between the data value on the line are zero filled, and the second one graph is the mirror negative values in the same region as the positive values and relies on who to differentiate between the two positive and negative values. The shaded blue one is the positive value and the negative value is red. The mirror chart doubles the data density compared to the line chart. The third chart is called as horizontal graph. It reduces the space used by dividing the chart into bands and layering the bands to create a nested form. With the two layer bands, the horizontal band doubles the density. Time series visualization is a common form of time series data where the researchers has developed many approaches where some of them are line charts, stacked time series, animation, and horizontal graph. Line charts, most common form of the time series visualization, which uses position encoding for both time and value. Line charts often encodes time as progressing from left to right along the horizontal axis and encodes time varying values along the vertical axis. Line segments connect successive points and the slope of the line encodes the rate of change between the samples. The other one is stack time series. It is an approach for the time series visualization that simply stacks the time series on top of each other. Virtual stacking is not an information aggregation for many data types like temperature or negative values. Animation. We can directly animate values over the time is another way of displaying time series data. Animating between the time sizes facilitates value changes and better static transcription views. The animation results in significantly lower accuracy in analytical tasks compared to the small static charts. The fourth one is horizontal graphs. A horizontal graph is a relatively new chart type that increases the density of time series graphs by dividing the layering fill-in line charts. One can construct a horizontal graph for first significantly line chart along vertical axis into uniformly sized non-overlapping bands, and the bands are then layered on the top of each other and negative zero, positive or negative. The figure 1 is the normal line divided into shows the normal line and that is divided into bands and layered and they are layered to reduce the chart heights and the negative values are flipped to the positive values and the mirrored into some space as positive values and these two are the examples of negative value as mirrored and the offsets and they have conducted an experiment like horizontal curve comparison. They done this experiment because to find choices of mirror or offset horizontal graph affect ex- estimation or accuracy and to find uh, number of bands in offset horizontal graph affects estimation and accuracy. They conducted an experiment like they asked the subjects to answer quickly and estimate accurate with five values 500 pixel wide and 40 pixel broad and y-axis ranges minus 100 to 100, two charts and three two charts and three bandits, a full cross 96 tiles per subject absorbs effect due to the layering. This is the experiment. This is the experiment they have conducted, where they took the T and B with four band mirror graphs. Each band covers 25 values, and the range is from -100 to 100. Um, and T value and B value are larger. In this is the experiment where they have connected the offset horizontal graph with 2, 3, and 4 bands, and they found like the results like in the units where the 3 and 4 bands have equal estimation level, and the fourth band has higher estimation level. And when they compared with the time, they found that the second and third have uh, like 2.89 seconds difference, and the third and fourth has 1.91 seconds difference, um, which was the result of the first experiment. And the experiment 2, they have designed the chart size and layering. They have done this experiment for mirroring and layering affect estimation time and accuracy compared to line and chart. Chart size affect estimation time and accuracy. They have done experiment with three charts and four sizes and four scales. The one chart is line chart and one band mirror and second band mirror, and scales like 1 by 2 and 1 by 4 and 1 by 8. Um, they found that the uh, diagonally adjust cells indicated the arrow by shading have same visualization than unmirrored and unlayered sizes, and they found the results like accuracy decreased at smaller chart heights in main experiment. This was not pronounced for line charts and one-band mirror charts. Estimation error remains steady for the scale factor of 1 by 2. At smaller sizes, both chart types has monotonically increased error. Estimation error of second band chart stayed relatively stable, equal for beating of line of 1. This is the chart 1. And the second results, they found that the estimation accuracy of chart types by their virtual resolution, they successfully decreased the chart height by two factors. We plotted virtual resolution on based on two logarithm scale. For large visualization, this is the plot shows the where the error level is stable. At lower resolution, the error rate rises in smaller manner across the charts, while the two-band mirror charts has greater baseline error rate. It also has a greater virtual resolution at given chart heights. It is according to maintenance the baseline error of the charts in which it is done. And the third one is the estimation time by chart type and height line, and the band mirror chart results in similar estimation. Both are significantly faster than the two-band charts. The other one is design implication. Based on our experiment results, we offer following design implementations for optimizing time series visualization. First one is mirror does not hamper graphical perception, and second one is bands are beneficial as chart size, and third one is optimal charting. First one is mirror does not hamper. One unexpected result was that mirroring a chart flipping the negative values around zero neither slowed estimation time nor hurt estimation accuracy, as mirroring cuts the size of the chart in half without an observed downside. We advocate its use when space constraint variant so long as viewers know how to interrupt the chart. We found that dividing a second one, layered bands are beneficial as the chart size decreases. They found that dividing a chart into layered bands reliably increased the estimation time and increased the estimation error constant at chart heights. And third one is optimizing chart size. Our results showed that estimation error stayed stable at larger chart size, but the smaller chart slide led to faster estimation. Therefore, for the each chart types, they have at least one size that minimize the estimation time while preserving accuracy. And the limitations. The limitations of this paper only uh, they have compared the results of the result of value comparison task and only varied chart heights and did not investigate the effect of chart width or the distance between comparison points, discovered that accuracy stabilized at larger chart heights. However, they did not investigate on accuracy rates would hold for still larger sites. So in future, they are going to investigate on the larger chart sizes and including eye tracking studies. Thank you.